So, you need a new desk lamp. A desk lamp that will save you space. A desk lamp that's bright. A desk lamp that will use a USB power source. A desk lamp that hangs on your monitor. I have just the thing for you. BenQ's ScreenBar e-reading lamp. And you know what? We're about to unbox that shit. What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another unboxing. Right now we have BenQ's ScreenBar e-reading lamp. You can power it with just a 5-volt USB power source. You plug it into your monitor, it will light up. You plug it into your computer, it will light up. You plug it into a power source, it will light up. It saves space. It hangs on your monitor. So let's check it out and see what it's all about. You can see the back end here. You can put your QR code, and you have instruction manuals here, a video installation manual. If you get stuck, put your QR code in here, boom, bring up the instruction manual. Honestly, just by looking at the back here, you will know how to put it on. You just unbox it and hang it on your monitor. So let's check it out and see what it's all about. And we got our trusty box opening knife. Be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself with that. So we're going to unbox this baby and see what's in the box. I love unboxing stuff, man. I used to love unboxing stuff, man. I haven't done it in a while. So I'm a little rusty. Seriously, man. BenQ sent me this, and I'm really grateful. Get your little, what is this? BenQ, this is some information stuff. I can't even read it. It's in a different language. All right, here we go. Taiwan Excellence Award. What is this? I can't read it. Look, it's in a different language. I'm confused. Sorry, I can't read it. I would love to show you what it says, but I don't know. So seriously, beautiful packaging right here, man. Look, it's very simple. Mount, light, and what is this? USB cables? Yeah, USB cable right here. This is how it looks. Isn't that nice? Nice little packaging. Very simple. That's all we need. All right, so I guess we take this string. This is the bar. This is the mount. See? Goes on your monitor. I'm going to show you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I got you. Got the USB cable that powers it up. All you have to do is plug it into the side of your monitor, or any USB will light it up. It's very simple. Cut and dry. Boom. All right, this is all it is. 3 pieces. Boom. 1, 2, and 3. And it has plastic on it. I love peeling this plastic off, man. Yeah. Peel that right off. Don't you love when you buy something new, you get to peel off that fresh, new sticker, and then you smell it all? Like, oh man, this is freshly new. All right, we're gonna need our, oh no, look, comes right off. Boom, look at that. Look at that. And another sticker. I love stickers like that. So this is look at this is the light right here. That's the light. Can you guys see it? Look at that. We're gonna hook that up right now. I'm just gonna plug it to the side of my monitor right here and see how it works. Got the USB port on the bottom. Guess that's where the power is. The light sensor, the sensors, the power button. It says ScreenBar right here. I'll show you right here. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that. Might be a little bit. I'll put a picture of this in case as well. But it's very nice, man. Look, it's very simple and nice. Quick unboxing of the BenQ's ScreenBar e-reading lamp. You just hang it on your monitor and you have a lamp. It doesn't reflect off your screen. It's supposed to not. It's not supposed to reflect off your screen. I don't want to say it's not going to, but I haven't used it yet. So we have to test it and see what it's all about. You already know. Check that out. So seriously, all right. So you take the bar, right? I haven't even looked at the instructions. I'm assuming you take the bar and you. Wait, okay, so I don't want to, I'm assuming, yeah, see, I just cheated, I looked at the screen. All right, so you put this like this, right? But seriously, it clicks right in, boom, it clicked right in. So that's how it goes, just like that, look. and it has a weight here. This is like a weight. So it's like, it has a little weight here, maybe like, I don't know, 16 ounces. It's very light. And then you put take your USB port, right? And you plug it in here. Boom. With the power end of it. And then this is where you plug it into your monitor. So this is how it is. This is all it is. It saves space. You don't have to have this on your desk. You don't need you don't need that on your desk. All you need is this. So what do you rather have? This or that? You can hit it with this or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. Tell you what, I'm gonna go with this. This looks a lot better. This looks a lot better and a lot simpler and a lot fancier. You want to impress your friends. You come over, you got this. Anyway, I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here. We're just gonna remove our webcam. That's a question. Will it fit over our webcam? That's a good question. Anyway, let's take our light. We'll put our light on the monitor. Very simple. It has a little latch here, so you just place it on in front of the monitor with the weight on the back and place it just like that. See, it's on. Simple. It took 2 seconds. And now you take your USB cable, plug it into any USB port, and this is how it lights up. Boom. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, and that's how it looks. Zero reflective. No reflection. Straight. Doesn't reflect on the glass. No reflection on the glass at all. Simple. Everything is on your desk. Auto dimming. Different light colors. I think it has 2700 to 5000 kelvins. And that's it. Auto dimming. Everything. It's very simple. So you can work. No reflection on your monitor. No reflection on your eyes, as you can see if you're sitting on my eye level. $99.99. Simple $100 for a nice space-saving screen bar. You can tell your friends you have a screen bar. You don't even have a desk lamp. You have a screen bar. Now, the question is, can I leave my webcam on top of it? If you have a webcam, guys, you can still use it. You can still use it. You can use it with your webcam. ScreenBar e-reading lamp by BenQ. $100. I think you can get them at Amazon for $100. It might be even cheaper now. You can just check it out and see what it costs. But it's a very nice light. Different temperature settings for the light. Auto dimming. What more do you need? Perfect. Less is more. Free your vision. So there you have it. BenQ's ScreenBar Lamp. Desk lamp, computer lamp, keyboard lamp, reading lamp, work lamp, anything you do on your desk lamp for $100. Might be cheaper now. I'm not sure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Hope I was informative enough for you guys. I hope you guys think these type of videos are cool. If you do, smash that like button, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Live stream, gameplay, reaction, vlog. You already know what I do on my channel. Love you all. Deuces and peace. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Run that shit.